And the last lecture, we integrated Kafka with the Flink successfully, but we read the topic records by string. In this lecture, let me show you how to deserialize the Kafka topic record to JSON. In order to use the JSON deserializer, we have to introduce the related dependency into our project POM file. Let me do it. Okay. And then let me create another Java module used to define the JSON field corresponding field. We give the name user class. This is a simple Java class. Declare three fields and here ID and username, age. Okay. We can use the Lombok data annotation to annotate this class. And also we can specify the JSON deserializing. JSON deserializing. I use this one. Okay. And JSON serializing. I use this one. All right. And don't forget annotate the each field by the JSON property. JSON property to uppercase. All right. Why we need to annotate the JSON property to uppercase? Because we defined the stream and the topic as a key circle client. So as you can see, and here, the key circle client will define the each field to uppercase. So we have to define the corresponding JSON property at the Java code level. All right. Username, age. All right. Okay. Now we can duplicate this code, source code. Give the name JSON. Right. And here we just do some a little bit change. For example, suppose we will use the Flink user class to define the consumer data type and at here, right, and change the value only deserializer. We can specify the JSON deserialization schema. All right, and specify the Flink user class. Okay, at here, and also we can change the group ID. JSON. All right. Let me start this application. As you can see, we successfully consumed the Flink test topic and deserialized the Flink record to JSON, and also we can convert it to the Java module class Flink user, right? Also, we can use the key circle client to insert one more record and here 4, 13. All right, as you can see, it's pretty cool. See you next lecture.